Novus Property Solutions are a property maintenance contractor. We work up and down the United Kingdom refurbishing properties from hotels to social housing and everything in between.
Novus have got 398 vehicles on fleet. It's an operational fleet, mainly all commercial vehicles, with 340 vans operating up and down the country and 58 cars.
As our business has grown and is getting bigger in size and geography, we identified that we needed support delivering our fleet provision in our fire-line regions such as Scotland and the south of England, and we went through a selection process and picked Novuna.
The tender was very thorough. We looked at what was important to Novus, what they were doing now, what worked, what didn't work, what we could do to improve on their fleet. We'd had several meetings. From an account management point of view, we sit with customers and we really tailor our approach.
With our new fleet coming, we want it to be as effective as possible. We wanted to do it less but do it bigger. They're the experts in what they do. We value their opinion and they've been really good at advising us on what to do.
We offer a complete service for Novus, so starting right at the very beginning, we did a sale and leaseback for them, we bought their old vehicles, we then sourced new vehicles for them, we worked with manufacturers to look at discounts and making sure we're always getting the best deal for them. We'll deal with all of their administration right through to the disposal of the vehicles at the end. I'm their main point of contact for process and escalation, strategic decisions and trying to support them in moving their fleet forwards. We've got a really good working relationship.
Having a consistent account manager really helps us because we can build that one relationship. People deal with people, it's not just companies, it's that one point of contact.
My job is to go to different properties and I'm there to try and get them habitable for the next tenants. The vehicles we're using are very important, just as important as our tools, what we use for day-to-day use. We could travel 80 miles to a property, just knowing that it's a new van and we've got support at the end of the phone is essential.
It can be an emergency situation. If it's in the winter time and it's a bit cold outside, no heating can be a real problem. So we need to make sure that our fleet's operational when we need it at all times.
So we have a dedicated driver line, we have a dedicated team of technical people, we've got downtime controllers that'll help to keep vehicles on the road. We understand that a customer's vehicle is their tool of the trade. They have to have that vehicle to be able to do what they need to do and service their clients, and we've got a full suite of people that can help us to do that for Novus. At Novuna, decarbonisation and environmental impact is hugely important to us, and that's the same for Novus, which is really exciting.
This year we officially, through offsetting, became carbon neutral, but it's our real drive to be naturally carbon neutral by 2030. We've had support from Novuna. They've done surveys of our regional offices to see what we can do about our charging infrastructure. We've had a couple of sample vehicles on the road just to see how we can get them to work for us. I'd recommend going to Novuna to any other business. The different elements within Novuna, other key kind of ability to do specialist vehicles, to help with outsourcing, the sale and leaseback element of it. The big acceleration was getting new vehicles on the road quickly. As an example, we've got 30 vehicles that we were notified 2 weeks ago and we're all going to be getting them in 3 months' time. In a current market where the lead-in time is about 12 months, it's a real advantage that this relationship's given us.